I'm Sam.
And I'm John.
And together we are the Coastal Kids. Today we're taking you to a beautiful hidden Irish waterfall.
Get on your hiking boots and let's go. This place is really covered with fossils. Check these out. This is one awesome rock pool. We'll definitely be coming back to here.
So, welcome to the secret Irish waterfall. Only joking.
This isn't even close to it.
Check out another amazing fossil. Look at the size of it compared to my hand. Check out the size of this cave. But this isn't the one that we're talking about.
Careful, they're not weavers. Got him.
Got him. We got the common starfish. Let's go. Common starfish. Just found a really cool wee common starfish out in the water. We weren't expecting to find any of these, but we found two different types of sea stars. Two small commons and a really cool looking spiny. He's regrowing an arm, as I can see, because he is a really small arm compared to the rest. And it looks like this guy's waving. Check out the amount of starfish I just found underneath one rock. There's so many, I didn't even have to lift the rock to see them. This guy. Look. Another two giant spiny starfish. And if you look here, this guy's growing a new leg. But I've never seen so many starfish in my life. And I don't think John has either.
Yeah, I haven't.
Finally made it to the secret waterfall cave. We just gotta wait for these other people to go out so we can get a cool photo. That was quite an adventure. If you're ever looking to travel to the secret waterfall, make sure you check the tides and wear shoes that will help you get over rocks.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
Bye!